Good morning friends, and welcome to this channel Productivity Pro. Today I am going to discuss a new tool for productivity improvement. Till now we have seen various options of DNC and CIMCO edit, backplot, and how this will be useful for reducing the proving out time. Now today I am going to consider a situation, typically the situation where multiple factories or multiple locations are involved. See, there are many situations like there is a principal company somewhere in US, UK or any other country, and in India there are some plants for manufacturing. So in some of these cases the design is done by the company in abroad or the principal company, and the people are supposed to manufacture that particular part, or for that matter it may be an Indian company itself but having multiple locations. Or take a situation like big automobile manufacturer like Tata Motors, and they have certain vendors where they are manufacturing the parts for Tata Motors. Now in such a case there is a need that whenever there is a change in the component or in the part, that should be reflected immediately to the shop floor person. So there is a solution by CIMCO, and the product name is called as CIMCO MDM, that is Manufacturing Data Management. This is again a step towards paperless solution on CNC shop floor. But the main feature of CIMCO MDM is when there are multiple users or multiple stakeholders for the same part, everybody should be informed about the changes. So friends, I was discussing about MDM. Whenever any changes are there, those will be immediately notified to the concerned people. Now let's say in the shop floor, the production person changes certain fixture. So he can take a photograph of that picture, and that photograph also can be uploaded in the database. Not only that, on that photo you can put some comments that why this change has been done. Okay, so you can store all the CAD drawings, CAM files, NC file, tooling sheet, setup sheet, fixture drawing, AutoCAD drawing, fixture picture in JPG form, and the comments related to that particular part, and this will be visible to all the people. Now there are some settings by which some MDM client can only view and some MDM client can modify. For example, if you are giving MDM client on the shop floor, where the operator is supposed to see the NC file, tooling list and all other document, and then he should run the machine. So we can configure the system in such a way that this operator or this MDM client can only view the CAD file, he can view the model, he can view certain information, but he cannot modify. So those kind of possibilities are possible. and we can give the administration rights. So whatever changes are there, the concerned authority will check whether those are right, and then only they will be approved. You remember in my one of the videos we have told about the NC file remaining in the queue, and then after approval only it goes to the respective folder. Similarly here also those kind of authorities can accept or reject the changes. So this will definitely reduce the rework, this will reduce the rejection, and the total shop floor efficiency will be higher because of the transparency between all the concerned people. So this is the product called as CIMCO MDM. If you want to know more about it, you can contact us on 7972889960 or reach us through email digitechpune@gmail.com. So tomorrow again I will come back to you with a new technique for productivity improvement. Till then, best of luck, have a nice day, thank you, bye bye.